A lioness stands over a dead gazelle calf. It couldn't run fast enough. She watches the mother gazelle circle at a distance, calling, refusing to leave. The lioness doesn't react. She eats. We watch moments like this on nature documentaries all the time, and something in us recoils. We project guilt onto the predator because that's what we'd feel. But did she feel anything at all? Is there a flicker of something behind those eyes, or is this just biology running on autopilot? Let's start with what we actually know about predator behavior in the moments after a kill. When a lion, wolf, or fox makes a kill, their cortisol levels spike during the hunt itself. The chase, the struggle, the kill. That's stress. That's adrenaline. But almost immediately after, those hormone levels crash back down. Researchers studying wild canids have tracked this pattern again and again. The kill ends the stress response. It doesn't start a new one. Compare that to what guilt actually requires biologically. Guilt isn't just an emotion, it's a self-conscious emotion. That means it requires a creature to hold a mental model of itself, recognize that its own actions caused harm, and then evaluate that harm against some kind of internal standard. Fear, anger, even grief can run on much simpler wiring. Guilt cannot. It needs a level of self-awareness that, as far as we can measure, only a small handful of species even possess. So which animals actually pass that bar? Mirror self-recognition tests are one of the few tools we have to test for that kind of self-awareness, and the list of animals that pass is short. Great apes pass, elephants pass, dolphins and orcas pass, magpies surprisingly pass. Lions do not, wolves do not. Most of the animals doing the killing in nature documentaries simply don't have the cognitive hardware that guilt requires. But here's where it gets complicated, because one species on that self-aware list is also occasionally a predator. And that's where this question stops being simple. Chimpanzees are usually thought of as fruit eaters,